Alright, this seems like a pastry bill, but it isn't. Because I'm gonna show you the whole school of my school, Redwood. And this is your grade 2, grade 3, grade 5. And the lockers we don't use anyways. That were was our lockers. So where Patagal. And this is the stairs. Pakuntaan. Can I go up? Can I go up?
Yes, but don't anyone to get up here. Huwag mo sasabihin na ako nag-utos sa'yo umakit dito ha. Huwag mo akong sabihin. Huwag mo akong sabihin pwede ko umakit ha. Huwag mo sabihin.
Kasama tayo so pwede.
Did you have geometry dash?
I'm gonna make a YouTube video. And this is the grade 6. I'm gonna make a YouTube video.
You're making one?
This is the grade 6. Move up the camera. The grade 6 over here. Here. Move up the camera up. And punta tayo sa hallway. Pastor. Green. Nag-a-addict. Ito nag-a-addict.
Sumakma ko.
Yeah. No, go. Outro. Make an outro. I will video you. Outro. And that's end of the video. Thanks for watching.